For Lulu. Look what he got. Look what he got. You better get it open. Here, you want Mama to open it for you? Come here.
Oh, wait, he's getting it.
I don't want him to get it in his mouth, though, baby.
Oh.
Here, let me cut just a piece, honey. Doug, here, give me your cane. Give it here to Mama.
Louie.
Hang
Louie.
on. No. Hang on, I'm going to cut it open for you.
He's like, I'll help you.
Here.
You big baby.
Here, look. Right here. There's where it looks so flat. Okay. He keeps knocking my hand off. Let me do it. You gonna get it off all by yourself? Okay. You still recording this? He's taking, look, Kayla, he's taking the paper off all by himself. Okay, careful. That's got staples in it, honey. I don't want you to get hurt.
Maniac.
Here, you gotta get the plastic off. Here, let me help. Okay. Hang on, we gotta get the plastic off. She's fighting it out. There.
I got that.
What, her biting him in the butt?
Grabbing his tail.
Oh, I thought she had unplugged something. Yeah, let me help you get on.
No, let her go for his tail, though. I'll record her.
Hang on. Somebody's just helping you out.
Impatient, isn't he?
I know. He's like, I want it all. I want it now. There you go. Look what Santa brought for you.
Good boy, Louie. Can't wag your tail, Lou occupied right now. Got a cat on your tail.
Cat. Oh, here, actually.
He's hat on your tail.
I'll cut the paper off of it for him so he can start playing with it.
The cat is hot on your ass. The cat's on your tail.
Cat got your tail?
Yeah, cat gets the tail.
Uh-oh, the monkey. She's going nuts. Jack, get the rest of his gifts.